you have heard me mention that we have been procuring freezers. In fact, we have procured 440 freezers, and 100 of those freezers are for minus 20 degrees storage. Having said that, the press release that Moderna has put out speaks to the transportation of the doses, but not the storage of the doses going forward. So we are still ensuring that we have all systems in place for any eventuality relating to the need to freeze doses and keep them frozen during the supply chain and the distribution chain. We need to make sure we're ready from a procurement standpoint and that we have an end-to-end logistics system in place. And so our procurements are definitely the first step to ensure that anything that needs to be kept frozen can be kept frozen, not just in transportation, but also in storage when the doses arrive here in the country.
It gives people more options, quite simply, if you can handle the vaccine in under less complex conditions. So as people probably appreciated, that with the priority groups that were recommended, it was difficult for people to take the vaccines to long-term care facilities when it, has to be stored at ultra cold temperatures. And so in many jurisdictions, they have been initially prioritizing for workers who can move to the sites to get vaccinated. And so they're waiting to get an option where they can move the vaccine into those kind of settings. And I think that will make it a lot easier. It will be a lot easier, of course, for remote and isolated communities as well. So I think it just simply gives our colleagues on the ground much more flexibility.